everybody, I wanted to get on here and talk about thermoses. My family and I use the Stanley Thermos because it is super easy, super convenient, and long lasting. They keep everything that you put in here hot for 24 hours, cold for 24 hours, which comes in handy when you're hunting, fishing, camping. Even with little ones, pour some hot water in here. You can warm up bottles, whatever you need. It's really nice. Parts are easy to replace if need be. They come with a cup. You don't have to spin this all the way out. I normally do. Just so I don't make a mess later. But they hold a lot. The bottom has the numbers, like your part number, what year it was made. Obviously, don't put it in the microwave. Hand wash only. Wash daily after use. A website that you can order parts. Easy to clean. I use just a bottle brush. And they take a lot of abuse. Growing up, I used to throw my grandfather's out of the semi. It would land on gravel and not get broken. Few dents happened, but it wouldn't leak. It's just a general decent thermos. They're great for holiday gifts, birthdays, whenever, honestly. So, if you live in an area that's pretty cold, or gets cold, or just want it in general, Stanley is a really good brand. I hope that helps. If you have any more questions, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks.